Plain text. Hey everyone. If you're like me, you know that having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference in both your professional and personal life. And when it comes to tools, Excel is like the Swiss Army knife for data. You might think Excel is just for the number crunchers and data analysts, but I'm here to show you that it's much more. Excel can be your go-to, whether you're managing budgets, tracking your workout routine, or even planning your next vacation. So let's dive into the basics and see how Excel can make your life easier. First up, the heart of Excel, the grid of cells. These aren't just any cells, they're your gateway to organizing and manipulating data. You can input numbers, text, or even formulas. By grouping these cells into rows and columns, you unlock the power to perform simple calculations. And that's just the start. Now let's say you've entered some data. What's next? Sorting and filtering. This is where Excel really flexes its muscles. With just a few clicks, you can sort your data alphabetically, by date, or even by custom rules that you define. Filtering allows you to display only the information you need. Imagine you're looking at a spreadsheet full of data, but you're only interested in entries from this month. A couple of clicks and voila, there's your subset. But Excel doesn't stop there. Ever heard of pivot tables? They might sound complex, but they're just another way Excel helps you summarize and analyze large datasets, making it a breeze to draw conclusions and make informed decisions. And for the visually inclined, Excel's charting capabilities mean you can transform rows of data into a colorful chart that tells the story at a glance. Whether it's a pie chart for your expenses or a line graph showing sales over time, Excel has you covered. Remember, the key to mastering Excel isn't just about understanding what each feature does. It's about thinking creatively on how these features can work for you. Whether you're a professional looking to streamline your workflow, or just someone who loves getting the most out of their data, Excel is a skill worth having in your arsenal. So, start experimenting, explore the possibilities, and you'll see just how much you can achieve with this powerful tool. Trust me, the more you use Excel, the more indispensable it becomes. Happy data crunching, and see you in the next video.